Hi everyone, I'm Milan from MK Designs. As you guys know, we have launched CafeRacer Kit and Brat Kit for the Hunter 350 and Classic Reborn. So I have another motorcycle with me today, and that's Meteor 350. So we have this motorcycle, and today we will be installing the CafeRacer Kit and the Brat Kit for this motorcycle. Let's see how it turns out. Finally, the basic frame has been installed on this motorcycle with the additional side covers. And now we have these two seats. One is for the Brat Kit and the second one is for the CafeRacer Kit. You can just simply take the seat and install it here. And it's done. So that's the CafeRacer look. Additionally, we have a cowl for this seat, and just for the Brat seat, the same way you can just install the Brat seat and see how it looks. Both the kits are available on our website. You can directly place your order through our website, and if you still have any queries or doubts, there's a number flashing on the screen. Contact us there.